Today we have another super yummy and quick mochi recipe for you, vegan and gluten-free chocolate mochi brownies. Check the ingredients in the description and let's get started. First, let's mix glutinous rice flour, coconut milk and melted dark chocolate until you get a silk smooth dough. You can use a blender or hand mixer to get it done quickly. Next, pour this dough into a deep baking tray lined with parchment paper and then pop it in the oven. Once the brownie slab cools down, cut it into squares and you've got yourself some tasty mochi brownies. These mochi brownies are at their best when warm, so don't be afraid to quickly warm them up before eating them. That's it for this super quick and easy recipe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!